Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from ZTE BLADE V8 LITE to Samsung device. Start by accessing Play Store on both of them. Then you need to tap on the search bar, type Send Anywhere, and download this free app from this developer. I'm sorry, I have to uninstall it real quick and install it again to show you all the process. Now click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both of them. Then you need to choose receive on Samsung and send on ZTE. After that, click on all of those kind of dots and choose send. In order to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will only go with, for example, this song. Choose send and click got it. From here we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and choose receive or scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, tap on the scanning icon on Samsung, then choose only this time or while using the app and point your camera at the code. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred, my song. But if you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into, for example, My Files app, select in my case audio, and as you can see, Send Anywhere folder is here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!